Hi guys and welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Today I will be teaching you how to make a shooter game. This will be a YouTube tutorial series with 7 parts. But before we start, I will be showing you how the game looks like when it's done, so you know if it's something for you or if you don't like it. Another thing is that this tutorial won't just be about copying everything, but I will also explain the logic behind it, so you will soon be able to make your own games like you want them to be. This game is for beginners and advanced scratchers. I think everyone can learn something, and it's also a nice game to play. Here you have a basic idea of what the game is going to look like. This game is about a virus invasion. You have to use your limited money at the right time to buy the upgrades you need. After you beat the first virus wave, you can fight the mini-boss, which gives you money if you're able to defeat it. After you defeated the 3 mini-bosses, you finally come to the big boss. If you beat the big boss, you win the game. As you see here, we are on the home screen. There are different buttons and I will show you what their purpose is. The first one is called difficulty. With it you can choose how hard the game should be. For example, you have the hard difficulty, medium and easy. I'll choose medium to show you how the game works. Then there's the help button. When you don't know how to play the game, you can click on it and a text will show up. You can read through it and once you're done you click on the cross. This will bring you back to the home screen. You probably noticed the message that is displayed on the home screen. It's the high score with the high scorer's name. In this case it's my name with the high score of 456 seconds to beat the game. This mechanic is a bit complicated as no letters are allowed to be in the cloud variables. I will discuss that step by step in a separate part of the tutorial. Unfortunately, this feature only works once you're a scratcher, not a new scratcher. But don't worry, it's not really necessary for the game. It's just a cool thing to add. Once we click on start, we are brought to the real game. Our character appears, we can move around with it, aim with the mouse and shoot with a click. We also have a health bar that follows us everywhere. Then there's also a sign that tells the people to like and favorite your game and follow your Scratch profile. It will pop up sometimes. There's also another one telling people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which would be a great idea for you guys to do. Just saying. If you have a YouTube channel yourself, you can change it, of course, to your name. In the corners, we have two numbers, 50 and 0. These represent your money on the left and the time you have left on the right. The timer has not started yet as we didn't press start wave. With space we can open the shop. There are in total 6 upgrades you can buy. They are spread out on 2 pages which you can change by clicking on the symbol. You have one gun which you can upgrade by clicking damage, snipe or machine gun. If you hover over one upgrade, a small description will show up on the top of the screen. I recommend buying damage to your gun as it's the most powerful upgrade in this game. Some will argue that the regeneration is stronger, but I think that the damage option is better. The 2 last upgrades are to heal you up, but if you have all your lives, which is the case for us, you won't be able to purchase them. And yes, this upgrade is inspired by Minecraft, but only a little bit. And having all lives brings us to the next point, starting the wave. You click space again to come to the normal battlefield, and you click start wave. Now viruses are rushing at us. If you click on them or behind them, you will shoot. Imagine I lost 1 life. I go to the shop again, and now we could be buying those 2 upgrades. But I'm going to buy the damage upgrade as that's my favorite one. Right now it's easy to kill the viruses and we can even one-shot the blue ones. After the wave is beaten, we can fight the mini-boss. We can fight him by clicking on the button saying mini-boss. As you see now, a mini-boss is coming at us and shoots every 3 seconds. On the top of the screen, you see the mini-boss health. Right now, it's still on all its health, but if we shoot at him, the health will go down. As you see, we are getting coins as a reward for beating the mini-boss, and if we are only on one heart left, there's an animation that comes to tell us that it's getting kind of close. If we collect the money, we could buy health again. Right now, there's still the old animation, but it will turn to the green one soon. As you see, our lives are filling up again. I will buy one more damage upgrade, which will max out our damage. I recommend always leaving $10 to $30 on the side in case you're running low on health. Now we can repeat the process of beating the mini bosses until we can fight the big boss. So as you see here, I accidentally broke the speedrun world record as it was before 456 and right now it's 407. You can compare it from the beginning. And well, that's it for now. I wish you're having a great day and stay thrilled for the tutorial. It will come out soon. And also don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will try to answer them as soon as possible.